Hello everyone. Today let's see or examine how we may use the Lydian flat 7 sound scale over the traditional blues, 12-bar blues. We have the 1, 4 and 5 chords that construct our 12-bar structure, and where we are going to use the Lydian dominant sound mostly on the 4 chord and the 1 chord. On the 5 chord we're not gonna use it, we use something else today. Let's work on the key of A today, A7, and we'll know that the blues is 1, 4, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1, 1, 5, 4, 1, 5. Now let's give an example on the A7 chord here, which is the A melodic minor, really, A flat, A Lydian flat 7, I'm sorry. Now this note is very hip, the flat 5, so I played it like approach note all the time. Something I took from Scott Henderson, which he's a master of the blues for me, or on the modern blues or the mix, the fusion blues, jazz and blues or whatever, is that he tried to connect this A Lydian flat 7 sound with the blues scale or the major blues. He gives a bit of emphasis on the tonic, the major third and the 7th, the flat 7th. Now I have my D9 chord here, or D9 sharp 11, which is I'm going to mix the A minor pentatonic, but this time with the major 6 here, F sharp, which is really the third of the D7th chord. With my D Lydian flat 7, which is really my A melodic minor. For me personally, the easiest place to play the Lydian sound is on the 4 chord here. So now for today, on the 5th chord, I'm going to use the F melodic minor scale. And the Lydian flat 7s are really melodic minor scales, modes of the melodic minor scale, so I keep it today in 3 melodic minor scales. Let's see an example how we're gonna play on the 9th bar, where from the 5th chord goes to the 10th bar on the 4, and we have these 2 chords, 5, 4, so F melodic minor to A melodic minor. My goal here is how I connect all those Lydian flat 7s or melodic minor scales with my blues sound and make it sound as much as possible more right or more good over the harmony. The A7th, the D7th, and the A7th chord. Bottom line is experiment with all those melodic minor scales really, and learn to mix them up with your minor pentatonic, minor with major 6 pentatonic, or your major pentatonic.